Hello! Essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. In this video, we are going to learn 但是, which means but. How many times you have been saying but in English in your daily life? Probably hundreds of times, right? Yes, we know, but 但是 is a very useful and it is frequently used word in our daily life. You can use it to introduce a clause contrasting with what has already been mentioned. Usually the format is clause A, but 但是 clause B. Can we please try to use but when we are talking about school subjects? Let's have a try. I like music class, but I do not like science class. 我喜欢音乐课，但是 but 我不喜欢科学课。我喜欢 I like 音乐 music 课 class or subjects. 但是 but 我 me I 不喜欢 don't like 科学 science 课 class or subjects. Can we try to use 但是 but when we are talking about school? Let's have a try. My school is not big, but the facilities are very good. 我的学校不大，但是设施非常好。我的 my 学校 school 不大 not big， 但是 but 设施 facility 非常 very 好 good. Well, let's see one more example. I like Chinese food, but I don't like learning Chinese. 我喜欢中国菜，但是我不喜欢学中文。我 I 喜欢 like 中国菜 Chinese food， 但是 but 我不喜欢 I don't like 学 learn 中文 Chinese language because it's a little bit hard. So in today's video, we learned but 但是. Whenever you need to say something contrasting with what you have said before, please use 但是. It makes your sentence more informational and logical. 谢谢你